Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking built-in options, open settings and search notification or quick settings. If your phone has a native setting, adjust panel position directly. If not, choose a path. Non-root overlay apps let you simulate a moved shade, while rooted mods modify the system UI for a true relocation. Once decided, backup settings and enable developer options if you plan advanced tweaks. This gets you ready to install or toggle the tools we need to move the notification bar. You'll now install and configure the chosen tool. For non-root apps, grant notification access and follow setup prompts to place the shade edge or activate bottom pull. For rooted setups, flash the module, grant root, and use its system UI controls to relocate the bar or change drag zones. Make small adjustments to the hotspot size and animation. That ensures reliable pulls without accidental triggers. Once configured, immediately test by swiping from the new edge and refine settings until the motion feels natural and consistent. Finish by locking your configuration, rebooting, and confirming the notification bar stays where you placed it. Make sure gestures don't conflict with navigation or accessibility. If they do, reduce the hotspot or reassign one-handed gestures. If the system UI behaves oddly, crashes, missing icons, or failed pulls, uninstall the overlay or disable the module and reboot. Restore your backup if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate whether a third party.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.